Hello everyone, it's Elisa from Photo Box Designs. I want to share with you a new series of templates that we have here. They're school board templates. They're chalk. They have the look of a chalkboard background with lots of little school board items. This is the 10 box memory mate, but it is very similar to some of the other products that we have in the store. Some of the other products, and let me show you quickly the other products that we have. So the other products that you will see here that are similar to it are the 30 box classroom, the 20 box classroom, the 12 box classroom, the 9 box classroom, and the 6 box classroom. They all run on the same principles of clipping masks that I'm going to show you how to use today. And you can find them at www.photoboxdesigns.com. So back to the tutorial now. When you open it up, you're going to see that there's a little instructions layer. I wanted to give you some instructions on how you can not only use the clipping masks, which is what we use for this template to put your photos in, whether it be a box photo or a general portrait photography photo, but you can also change the color of the borders. So I'm going to click off the directions. And you'll see here that this one is a memory mate. It has, you'll see that there's text here. The text is, of course, editable. And when you get your download link, you'll have a link to get the font. The font is a free font that I found online. I like it a lot. You could choose to use it or change it. It is free now. You have to follow. I did not create the font. You do need to follow the instructions of the artist that created it in terms of how its usage rights. And if it's not free anymore, then I'm sure you can find another font that would look similar to this one. If you want to go edit it, you just go to your font, to your text layer, click on the layer that you want to edit it, and you can say Hallie. You could change the name. You could change really any of these fonts. You can also just shut them off and add your own. Okay, so that's here, all the text layers. Then you have your clipping masks. So I'm going to just fill, for example's sake, this bottom right one. Okay, so it says here bottom right copy. You're going to use your move tool, click on it. Okay, that will highlight it, or click on it in your layers panel. Make sure it's highlighted in the layers panel. Go to File, Place Embedded, find a photo that you want to use. I'm really just going to use anything. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to make sure that it's over the top here. It is now over. It's on top of, in the layers panel. It's here. It says bottom right copy. Actually, I should change that. It shouldn't say bottom right copy. It should say bottom right mask. You will right click on, make sure your photo is right above that clipping mask. Right click. Tired today. Create clipping mask, and now it is clipped inside, and you can use your transformation tools to just move it around. If the transformation tool is not on, make sure you're on your move tool. It says show transformation tool, or you can press Command T to reopen your transformation tools, and you can also change the size. Very nice. But let's say you also want to change the color of these borders. Okay, so this border in this particular template. Some templates might be a little bit different. You have to look and see. This template, the effects are on all of the squares. Sometimes I put the effects just on the clipping mask box itself. So you're looking for the word effects, and then it says stroke. Stroke is the line. You double click on stroke. It opens up the stroke panel. You'll make sure you are on the stroke so it's highlighted. You see the color here. All right. I'm going to click on the color. It opens up your color pattern. I'm going to use if you just hover over the top of the template, it opens up that little eyedropper so you could capture a color you might want inside a template. So maybe I want to capture this color and change it to pink. You could just keep hovering around till you find a color that you like. that you think would work well, or you could just choose from the color picker here. All right. And so you see how it's changing the color of the template. I'm going to just change it to something really bright so you can see that that makes a difference. Press OK, press OK. And now you've changed the color of the border. It's really that simple. These are squares, so you can use them for in the box photography as well as general photography as I've shown you here. Um, and that's all. So thank you very much for watching the tutorial today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.